Alright, I'm back at my music studio units on a 88-degree day, and there's some stuff running. Carrier's running. Either the coil is plugged or the fan is spinning in reverse. Because it's only blowing air out right here. Yeah, the carrier's on. Yeah, it's only blowing around the sides. That's very cold and sweaty. Yep, it's running today. The Goodman has not been running. Yep, carrier's running. Even though the coils don't look dirty on the carrier, I think they might be like plugged up because it wasn't blowing any air out the top. It was all coming out the sides. No reams. I bet. Yep, that one's been running, and this is the one that does my music studio. And it was cool in there, so I know that it was set to air conditioning. Yep, that has definitely been running. This one has not been running. Let me see. Yeah, that's been running. Oh, actually, this one's been running too. Just not recently. I hear something running over there. Oh yeah, there's a window unit right there. That's running. Yep, I don't think I can wait for any startups, but those have both been running, and the carrier is running. So yeah. I want to get it started for the ream that does the music studio one day. Yeah, I think the coils are dirty on the carrier, or possibly the fan is spinning in reverse. I think it's just the coils. Yeah. So all three of them have been running except the Goodman. I'll go over to these one more time. That window unit is not running. So yep, those two reams have been running. That one is the one for my studio, and it's been running since the one is really cold and sweaty. And this one has been running also, but not that recently, I don't think, since the line isn't sweaty, but it is cold. Yeah, that has been running, definitely. And that one has too. I can hear that window unit running. Alright. Okay, out.